Why let a little dust block your sun? Discover how clean solar panels can save you money, and we're offering it for free. Hey homeowners, are you getting the most out of your solar investment? It's time to maximize your solar efficiency with First Energy Solar Solutions. We know that dirty solar panels can reduce their efficiency by up to 25%. That's like throwing money out the window every sunny day. But don't sweat it, we've got you covered. For a limited time, we're offering a free 1-year solar panel cleaning and system support service. Yes, you heard that right, absolutely free. Our expert team will ensure your panels are spotless and operating at peak performance all year round. Imagine lower electric bills, increased energy production, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your solar system is in top shape. And did we mention it's on us? So why wait? Boost your solar efficiency and save money without lifting a finger. Connect with First Energy Solar Solutions today and claim your free service. This free offer is only valid to customers who get their solar systems installed by First Energy. Let's make every ray of sunshine count.